How to fix firewall blocking internet on Windows. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and in this video we will learn how we can fix if the firewall is stopping your internet connection in Windows. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. For that, first of all, you have to hit towards the search icon and to the search bar, search for the settings and open up settings in your device. So once you're under your settings, navigate to your left hand side. There you have to click on privacy and security. After that, head towards the Windows security. Once you're under Windows security, head towards firewall and network protection. Once you land on this interface, as you can see, there is the option that says restore firewalls to default. So in order to fix your problem, you can reset your firewall settings. So after you reset the firewall settings, it will help you fix any internet blocking, whether if you have accidentally blocked an app or port, or if you have any third-party application that may be creating a conflicting firewall rules, or if you have no internet access only on certain apps or browser, then in this way it will help you fix your issue. So resetting the firewall will remove all of your custom or corrupted rules. It will restore all of the default Microsoft rules that allow internet for the system application, and also will help you eliminate problems caused by misconfiguration. So you have to reset or restore firewalls to default, and after that you can try to access your internet again. And if you see any kind of application prompt for the firewall, you have to allow the access. And in case if you are using VPN or any other antivirus or proxy, then you may have to reconfigure them if needed. So resetting the firewall will help you fix your internet blocking problem. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.